Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at writing the equations of parabolas specifically in vertex form. Okay, so in vertex form, up or down is y equals 1 over 4p times x minus h squared plus k. Remember that if it's up, this is negative. If it's down, this is positive. Up is positive. So remember 1 over 4p as positive is up, right? And negative means that it's down. In this case, here, so up or right, and down or left, right? This one left or down, so negative is left, positive is right. Okay, so right here they gave us a parabola and the focus. So the vertex of this parabola is here at negative 6, 0. Remember, this is h and this is k, right? The focus is at negative 3, 0. So the distance from here to here means that p is 3. Okay, because I can count 1, 2, 3, right? That distance p is 3. Okay, so using that means that it is 1 over 4 times 3. It's opening up right, so this is going to be positive. Okay, so we're going to start putting this in. So we're opening up right, which means that 1 over 4p is positive, and we're using this one. So it's going to be x equals 1 over 4 times 3 y minus k, which is 0 squared, plus h, which is negative 6. Okay, so this is going to be 1 over 12. Y minus 0 is y. So this is going to be 1 over 12 y squared minus 6. There's your equation. Alright, so this one opening up down, so now it's y equals, they gave us the directrix, which is y equals 3. Vertex is at 0, 1. Right, so the distance from the directrix to the vertex is 1, 2. So again, that is p, right? So it's y equals negative, because it's opening up down, 1 over 4 times 2 x minus 0 plus 1. Don't forget your square. So this is going to be negative 1 over 8 x squared plus 1. Alright, opening up down again. They gave us a focus this time. There's my vertex. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So p is equal to 5 this time. So this is y equals negative 1 over 4 times 5 x, the vertex is at negative 4, 0, so minus negative 4 squared plus 0, or negative 1 over 20 x plus 4 squared, because I don't need the 0. You could put it, it really wouldn't matter. Okay, so vertex this time is now 3, 6. The directrix is at y equals 7, so the distance is 1. Opening up, down again, so this is y equals negative, since we're opening up, down, 1 over 4 times 1 times x minus 3 squared plus 6, or y equals negative 1 over 4. Don't forget, when you type it in, you have to do y equals negative 1 over 4 x minus 3 squared plus 6. Alright, so that's when you have graphs. That's where it's going to start. Right before you guys get to a SMART score of 80, you're going to be given it like this, or, well, it'll be in a question, but you'll be given information. Okay, so we're going to take that information and do a quick sketch. So vertex is at 0, 2, so 1, 2. My directrix is a line y equals negative 4, so it's going to do this, which means my parabola has to open up like this. Okay, that helps. So if this is at negative 4 and that's at 2, so negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know it's terrible drawing, but P in this case equals 6, which is the important thing. So this is y equals, it's opening up, so 1 over 4 times 6 x minus 0 squared plus 2, or 1 over 24 x squared plus 2. Okay, so here my vertex is at 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. My focus is at negative 2, 0, which means that I am opening left like this because the focus is inside the parabola. Okay, so the distance from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So P again equals 6. Now I'm opening up left, so it's y equals, and it's going to be negative 1 over 4 times 6. This is y minus 0 squared plus 4. Remember, this is k and this is h in this instance. And this is h and this is k. Okay, so it's y equals y equals negative 1 over 24 y squared plus 4. Alright, so that's your video. So again, if you need help, come to tutoring and we will talk to you guys there. Bye.